the king in question is Ooni of Ife. The king in question is Ooni of Ife. So Ooni of Ife, I challenge you now, and I have empirical evidence to point to the fact that you are involved in illegal mining activities. Okay, and to make it worse, you are bringing in Chinese people into Yoruba land to come and mine Yoruba land illegally without giving compensations to the farmers, to the people who owns the land. Tabade pe Ooni of Ife ni akoti later ni sin won ero ba fin. Ero ba fin. Tradition ni kon ra ba fin. So when what do we call it when you bring these Chinese to come and destroy your land, your own father's land, and then the Chinese will repatriate the money back to China? I don't even think people know how this thing work. So Chinese people are coming to Yoruba land by virtue of one Oba who is greedy, who invited them without getting permission and licenses. And then when they make any money they make, it doesn't go to the villagers, it goes to the farmer, to the Chinese people and the king. And the king is not even bothered about the ecological implication of whatever he's doing. So, kí ni ká pẹ̀lú ọba yẹn o? Nílẹ̀ Yorùbá ìjọ ẹ sọ fún mi. Kí ni ká pẹ̀lú ọba yẹn? Ṣé ọmọlúàbí ni ká pè ní àbí akutilétà? So, when an Oba is involved in illegal business, an Oba that's supposed to be a symbol of peace and unity, an Oba that's supposed to be abiding and be guided by the 1999 Constitution, an Oba that's supposed not to be involved in criminal activities, is now neck deep in criminal activities. What do we call that one? Feshu labule, baale en tagbo, ìyàwó en tagogoro. De feshu labule. Feshu labule, baale fúnra ló ń tagbo, ìyàwó en tagogoro. De mọ̀ pé nǹkan méjèèjì yẹn agent èṣù ni wọ́n. Bàbá baale ò de feshu labule tóun, but òun gangan ló ń tagbo. Ìyàwó en ta ogogoro. Baale ò de fẹ́ kéṣù ṣẹlẹ̀ lẹ́nu abúlé tóun. So when you have an Oba who is not involved in illegal mining gold activities, what do we call that one? And to make it even worse, an Oba is conniving and aiding and abetting Chinese people to come into Yoruba land to mine gold without paying compensation to the owners of the land. By virtue of Land Use Act, if you don't know now, by virtue of Land Use Act, nobody has the right to take your land. Okay, nobody. The only way that government can take over your land is when it is for overriding public interest. Emphasis, overriding public interest. And that land, when government is going to take over your land, you must be adequately compensated, and they are going to give you another land somewhere else. So that means if government wants to build a university in Ifewara, and they have seen a parcel of land that is good for that purpose, government will go in, negotiate with the owners of the land, and give them another alternative land somewhere and compensate them. When I say compensate, they will give them money for displacing them from their historical land. But in this case, we have an Oba who is not even a governor, displacing people from their farmland, not giving them compensation. It's not a governor. The Oba is not a governor. So let's get it clear. The Oba is not a governor. He doesn't enjoy immunity. It's a citizen like you and I. Oba is just we are just Oba is just a citizen like you and I. So it's only that he's a custodian of traditions. So Oba tí ò ń ṣe governor, tí ò ní immunity, tó ń gbalẹ̀ onílẹ̀, tó dẹ̀ gbalẹ̀ onílẹ̀ tán tí ò fún wọn compensation. And this Oba will now come on TV and be parading women. The same Oba, the same Oba, Yinka Ayefele ló máa ń gbà every weekend. The same Oba wọ́n lọ ṣe rally níwájú palace Yorùbá Nation rally. The same Oba ó rán talk sí wọn. And then, let me tell you enough, if here it's clearly now. Oba Ogunwusi or whatever they call your name, don't come to abroad. Don't come to America or London or France. You cannot be inciting violence in Nigeria and then think you will now come to United Kingdom or to France or to America with your entourage. It's not possible. Okay, I'm a lawyer and I will pull on my strings and make sure you don't come abroad again, you don't come overseas again, because you cannot be inciting violence in Nigeria. You cannot be neck deep in criminal activities and now think when you want to relax, you come to America with your entourage. Okay? The same thing for MC Oluomo. The same thing for MC Oluomo. You people cannot be inciting violence in Nigeria. You cannot be killing people in Nigeria. You cannot be behaving in a criminal way in Nigeria. You people cannot be involved in crime in Nigeria and then think the next thing to do is for you to just up into a commercial plane and then come to America, to UK, to Europe to come and relax. It's not possible. We are not going to allow it again. Me, as a lawyer and a team of lawyers, we are not going to allow it again. You cannot be destroying Nigeria and then come to United Kingdom or to France or to USA or to Italy to come and relax. It's not possible again. Whoever you are, whether even you are an Oba or no Oba, politicians, Obas, anybody, as long as you live in Nigeria, you hold a Nigerian passport, you cannot be inciting violence. You cannot be aiding and abetting violence in Nigeria. You cannot be committing crime in Nigeria. And then the next thing, you just jump into a plane, come to America to come and relax. It's not going to be possible again. It will not be possible again. Look at my face. So if you want to do, whoever, whatever your position, if you want to jump into the ocean, jump into the ocean. That you cannot be committing crime in Nigeria. You cannot be naked deep in crime in Nigeria. You cannot be aiding and abetting criminality in Nigeria and then think the next thing for you to do is to come to either America, come to Europe, come to London to come and relax. It's not going to happen again. Look at my face. Channel Yomali. Channel Yomali. Channel and Yoruba kon Yamali. Le ma bale Yoruba je ki a ma sawa si loyinbo ki a gbadun. We are not going to allow it again. Wojú mi dáadáa o, mi jù báyìí lọ o. I still don't know what is wrong with Yoruba people. That some foolish set of Yoruba people will want to turn Yoruba land into a mass grave. We want to turn Yoruba land into a killing field. Every day in Yoruba land, they kill people in hundreds. No Oba will talk. No governor will talk. No Tinubu will not talk. And then you now jump into a commercial flight and come to America to come and relax. Hell no, it's not going to happen again. Because when you are filling your visa form, let me tell you, I know of American visa form. When you are filling your visa form, there's a column. They will ask you, have you committed crime before? Yes or no. You have to answer it, yes or no. Have you belonged to a particular group before who was involved in crime? Yes or no. And then even want to get your... So if you are an Oba who you are in the habit of using thug to settle score with your enemy, you cannot come to America again on visa. Because you have violated that section. The section says that, have you committed crime before? Yes or no, you tick it. So if you are an Oba, you are involved in illegal mining, gold mining, you cannot come to America now because you have violated that section. The section says, have you been involved in illegal criminal activities? And the answer, you tick either yes or no. So if you tick yes, you cannot come to America. Because we don't want criminals in America. If you tick no, you are even telling lies. You make it worse. If you know that you are involved in illegal activities or you are neck deep into crime, okay? So for even misleading the American embassy, that's another crime. And it's the same thing applies to politicians. So the era of where somebody will incite violence in Nigeria and then run to America to come and enjoy is over. It's over. Me, you buy love, but it's over. Take it to the bank. So, on no, if don't come to America, there are empirical evidences that you are involved in illegal activities, number one. There are empirical evidences that you use thug against your opponent, that you will call thugs to go and attack people who are against you. I don't know if there are empirical evidences that you normally incite violence in Ife. So don't, for now, don't come to abroad. Oh. So you and that your rubbish entry that you go about, don't attempt it. Oh. Yoruba, abroad is not Yoruba Ilefe that you use thug. Or alternatively, if you want to come to America, come with your thugs. So that when you get to the airport, you use your thug to beat all the immigration officers at the point of entry so that they can allow you to enter into America. Or UK. So, enough is enough of all your stupid activities. You are not the first on Ofife, you will not be the last of an Ofife. If you know that that office is too much for you, you don't have the sense to be an Ofife, it's better for you to resign. But you cannot be an Ofife and be misbehaving, be giving Yoruba name, Yoruba people bad name. You cannot be an Ofife and be a houseboy to Tinubu. They voted, you were elected as Onofife, not as an Oni of Tinubu. So let's get that one clear.